how to pay with PayPal at Walmart. So I'm going to show you 3 different methods. You can directly use PayPal as a payment method when shopping online through Walmart's website or app, and here's how we do it. You want to shop on Walmart's website or app, just add items as you would to your cart. Then go to checkout. When you're ready to check out, head to your cart. Select PayPal as a payment method. Under the payment options, you want to choose PayPal. You'll be redirected to the PayPal login page. Log into your PayPal account and then complete the transaction. After confirming the payment, you'll be sent back to Walmart's checkout page to finalize your order. Another way of how you can do this is simply withdraw cash from your PayPal at Walmart locations. So that's also a possibility. So you can withdraw money from your PayPal balance at Walmart locations. And the last method here, you can pay with PayPal in store at Walmart. It doesn't accept PayPal directly in store, but you can use PayPal by transferring funds to your Walmart money card or using a PayPal cash card. You want to use a PayPal cash card, which is a physical card. It is going to be linked to your PayPal account, and you can use it like any other debit card. And also you can add PayPal to Walmart Pay. While Walmart Pay doesn't directly support PayPal, you can use a workaround by linking a PayPal cash card or PayPal key virtual card to your Walmart Pay. Get the PayPal cash card. As mentioned above, this is a physical debit card. Add PayPal cash card to Walmart Pay. You want to open up the Walmart app on your phone. Then go to Services. Then select Walmart Pay. Link the PayPal cash card to Walmart Pay by adding it as a payment method. And at checkout, you will use Walmart Pay to scan the QR code and complete the transaction using your PayPal funds. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.